Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to automatically move emails to a specific folder in Gmail. First, while in your Gmail inbox, click on the filter icon in the search bar. From there, you can choose how to filter your emails. You can either enter the email address of a sender, filter by subject line, or even filter by specific words. If an email contains certain words, it will be automatically moved to your folder. In this video, we'll use this email address as our example. Once you've entered your filter criteria, click on Create Filter at the bottom. Then check the box that says Apply the label. If you already have a folder or label created, simply choose it from the drop-down menu. If you don't have one yet, click on New Label. Here, enter the name of your folder and click Create. If you want to move existing emails that match this filter to the folder, check the option that says Also apply filter to matching conversations. Finally, click on Create Filter to save your automation. As you can see, old emails have been moved to the folder automatically. Now let's check if new emails will be automatically moved to the folder as well. Let's send a test email. And voila, it's working perfectly. New emails matching your filter are now automatically organized into your designated folder. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.